have the retrospective, and then we several different versions. Like I mentioned, ClickUp has lots of different templates that you can use, so you don't have to create these from scratch. And we can collaborate on the different items. You can have a daily stand-up whiteboard, retrospective review, and for teams that need to develop wireframes to visually demonstrate the software, the coding, how the product needs to be built, we can also do that right here in ClickUp. Just like docs, the whiteboards are part of ClickUp's free plan. So if you are using a free plan for a small team, if you're just trying out ClickUp, it's a feature that's available to you. Unlike some of the features in Jira, you already need to have one of the higher level plans to be able to integrate other platforms. And most of those other platforms, such as Miro, Mural, you're also going to need to have a paid license for that separate platform before you can even integrate it into Jira. So once again, you're paying for two different systems versus just paying for one.